demolition video. Come here, come here, come here. Cameraman. Here's my demolition table. My demolition prisoner. I'm going to torture him. And here is my demolition weapon. Okay? So get down there where you can see the side and watch the exploding happen. Oh, say hi, Mr. Poopy Van. Hi, Mr. Poopy Van. No, Skinny Boy's bike. The other boy, that's Skinny Boy's bike. And you can film that additional bike. Okay, and here we go. Ready? Can you see the side of this?
Yeah.
Get lower, because it's going to be smashed. Make sure you can see it. Can you see him right here where I'm pointing? Right there?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? And... No! Don't! Stand up! Cut off your head.
I'm getting farther.
Make sure you can see it. Like, get down lower.
Oh, God.
Get down lower.
No, I can see it.
No, you need to see, like, in here so you can watch the water explode.
Oh, God.
Down lower where you can see right here. Right down there. Okay. No! Don't push me!
Too bad.
Choke slam. The pedigree. Get on there! Don't move. Okay, I won't move. If you do, I'll tear off your limbs one by one. In 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Oh, really?
Did you get that?
Yeah, what do I do now?
Okay. And that is all. This is called Demolition. I'm going to find something else to demolate. So see us next time on Demolition 2, the sequel.